Since March unto this day, COVID has severely affected our communities on day-to-day basis. Loss of incomes and jobs, but we continue to fill in the gaps. We piloted a small business loan and strengthened to the community managed small business loan. It means implementation and management handled by the group from releasing to collection to all. This approach widens the scope and help on the community from 10 loans increased to 126 loans last 2020.
Malaking tulong po yung naging sa akin ng business loan kasi po nung kasagsagan po ng pandemic, nawalan po kami ng trabaho sa livelihood. Tapos yung asawa ko din po nawala ng trabaho sa pamamasura kasi nag-close po yung school na inakutan namin. Yung sa asawa ko naman po, naitulong ng Upskills Plus Foundation po ay po siya bilang worker para magpintura po ng school, ay ng livelihood po. Sa isang araw po, nagbibenta po ako dito ng hindi naman po regular. Pinakamataas na po dito ay 2K. Tapos pinakamababa po namin is 300 a day.
Ang naitulong po ng community business loan sa aking pamilya ay napakalaki. Gaya po ng financial, yung asawa ko kasi dating nagtatrabaho sa construction. Ngayong pandemic, hindi na po siya pumasok. Ang gawa nga natatakot ako uuwi sa bahay, baka mahawa kami. Kaya nagsarili na lang kami ng puhunan. Humiram ako sa community ng puhunan para itayo itong tindahan. Napakalaki po. Gumaan po yung pamumuhay namin. Hindi na kami na problema sa pagkain. Tapos sa bayarin ng tubig, ilaw. Napakalaki po ng tulong po ng foundation sa pamilya namin.
Another affected is men's shoe making project. All school shoes for almost done, but again, due to restrictions, school are closed, but we never stop. Now we are developing another line that is useful during rainy seasons. For the students, it's a rubber boots made from the car interior and sole of airplane. We did the product testing and we got a positive feedbacks. We already issued rubber boots for the staff and children. It makes them safe walking in the community. Thank you everyone for your continued support and help to the community and to the foundation.